So for me, Black History Month is pretty much a time to share our culture, our history with others who may not be aware of a lot of the contributions that we've made, because Black history for me is every day, because I am Black history. My name is Mike. I'm 33. I've been at Freedman almost 5 years. I first heard about the company in 2015 through a job fair. So I started actually on my son's birthday in May, and I've been here ever since. I started off as a mechanical assembler, and I rose through the ranks in that department. And I'm now currently in charge of operations in the sandblast department. There is a sense of pride, especially whenever you work your way from the bottom up, but there's also a sense of pride just achieving that goal, not to be in charge of anyone, but just to show like, hey, we don't all have to be like foot soldiers or pawns. Like some of us can be a castle or a bishop or even a king. So growing up in Chicago in America, going to public school, we weren't really exposed to a lot of the contributions that were made by African people. So you kind of got to do your own research, and that's what Black History Month is for us to kind of share some of this with you. So a lot of people don't know there are a lot of all-woman units in World War II. Some of them were all Black. Another thing is Bessie Coleman. She was the first African-American woman to obtain a pilot's license. It still gives you a sense of pride and happiness to learn that, hey, like we do come from greatness as well. Not, as they say, slavery didn't start Black history, it interrupted it. So it's pretty cool to learn new things every day as I go along. So I also like to be an example to a lot of the guys who may come from some rougher backgrounds, that this doesn't always necessarily have to be a stepping stone company. It could be a place that you can have a career at and actually do well and succeed. Me achieving some of the things that I've achieved here, one of my main sources of motivation for that is my son. But I was like, maybe I should probably do something more so that he can see something more and aspire to be something more. So that is actually my main motivation for every day waking up and staying on my toes as I do.